Okay, welcome muli po for the second game for today. Ito ang liga naman sa PSP kung batch break between the team of course, JG Challenge Committee. Yan po yung kanang motive po, JG Motive. And also versus Sari-Sari Motive po tayo, JPXDB Spencer. Ayan po naman po, JPXDB Spencer. Ito ang liga naman sa natin po, BL batch break. Maraming salamat po, and standby po tayo po sa second game of the day. Okay, welcome po muli po sa second game for the day between Challenge Committee JG Challenge Committee versus of course nandiyan po ang JPXDB Spencer team. Ito po ang Liga naman siya at ito po ang PSBQ Basketball Team. Thank you po sa ating mga sponsors po bago po tayo magsimula. Headed by the following sponsors. Ito po sila, ang McDonald's Qatar, AC Kitchen, MC Cargo, Challenge Committee. Kasama na po natin po ang second batch of sponsors. Nandiyan po MC Cuisine Decade Restaurant, Challenge Committee again, Lux Chloe by NYK Trading. Nandiyan din po pala ang Qatar Sublimation, Kapeng Barako Restaurant, by Lombar. Kasama na po natin po ang JPXDB Wheels Apparel. Nandiyan din po pala ang Iowa Nation, Ako Mas Qatar, Luxury by Shanty, and also Tijan's Barbershop. Nandiyan po ang Lombar at PLBL Coach Mike Rubin, Different Advertising, M23 Cafe, HB Kids, and muli po, ito po ang Liga na Masikat. We're live always po sa Furning Season International School in Doha. Ito po ang PSBQ Basketball League. Ito na ang laplaban. Laban na between Challenge Committee versus of course lang po ang team Spencer. Ito na. Makikita po natin po. Nandiyan po si Winners Apparel. Si Winax. Nandiyan pala. Si Don't Get Up From My House Without Wearing It. And also nandiyan po si Mr. Mamaw. Yung kanilang pangbato sa rebound. Mr. Mamaw. Mamaw is in the house. Si Pajardo, nandyan din. Also, yung Doram Brothers. Yan po ang maging parang team to watch po natin. Sa kabila naman, lang po si JP naman. JP Cristobal Sarita, si Eugenio, si Dizu, and many more. Standby po tayo po sa second game of the day between Challenge Committee and also Team Spencer JPXD. Okay. Okay, we're about to start now. It's a great night for basketball action between JPXTV Spencer and JG Janice Gomez. Okay, ito po tayo nyo. First quarter action coming up between Janice Gomez and Team JPXTV Spencer. Walang pa-highlight sila man. Yung cold patch, iniwan yung cold patch. Okay, coming up now, Spencer versus JPXTV. Spencer JPXTV versus Janice Gomez. First quarter action coming up. Bago po tayo magsimula, pasalamat tayo sa mga sponsors po. Itubuto mo sila, eto na sila. Ito ba? Pambira, ayaw, ayan. Ito pa rin. Ito pa rin. At meron pa tayong huling batch. Yan po ang mga sponsors po ng PSBQ Basketball Day. And first quarter coming up. Spencer JPXTV and Janice Gomez. Mamili po kayo, team. Available yung 2 flavors po natin. Mamili po kayo, Team Spicy and Team Original. Mamili po kayo, yan po ang Janice Gomez. First quarter action coming up. Nandiyo po sa Sarita, sa Iliang, si Bondok, si Tomas, and Baltasar. Okay, idol. Hindi mo siya idol. And also sa kabila naman, of course, ayan po si Duran number 2, Duran number 1, Acuña, Winax Apparel, and si Mr. Mamaw, the Rebound Man. Okay. Okay, Duran number 2 muna po, magtitimon muna. And also na si Winax Apparel, si Winax nandyan din, si Mamaw, and also nandyan po si Mr. Acuña. Baltasar, Mr. Mamaw, nice pick. Ayan si Bondok, nandiyan si Tomas, Baltasar, nasundot. Again, recover Baltasar, wala. Acuña. Pinano. Winax dope. Ayan si Tomas, magdal-dribble. Bondok, Sarita. Bondok, Iliang, fade away shot, pasok ang bola kay Iliang, fade away shot, pasok. Ang nagtitunong pala sa kabila pala si Bilaro sa coaching nila. Duran. Duran na sundot. Ay si Winax. Malakas. Mamaw. And one play kay Mamaw. Nice play by Mr. Mamaw, number 0. This treat is brought by the following sponsors: Janos Cometio, MC Cargo, MC Kitchen, and McDonald's Qatar. Mamaw, first shot, nope, nilabas lang ng ring. Again, Bundok. Bundok, may tangan ng bola. Sarita. Bundok. Eliang for 3. Wala, offline. Acuña for 3. Wala pa rin. And natapik pala ni Baltasar palabas. Okay, Santa Ana. Mamaw na ilang nakuha po. And nasundo pa ng konti to Winax. Pasok sana, wala pa rin, dalawa sila. Acuña. Wow! Oh, okay, white ball. It's white ball. Bundok, Sarita. Eliang, pap! Si Daisy. Wala pong tawag. Duran, ayun kay Winax. Look, good. Nice stop by Sarita. Winax. Malakas. Rebound 1 by Tomas. Number 23. Sarita. Baltasar. Bothered. Up si Daisy. Stepping on the line. Nice deal by JG. Sarita for the inbound. Eliang. Nakawala. Eliang. Malakas. Eliang, binabantayan po si Mr. Acuña. Nandiyan si Duran. Acuña, fade away shot, no good. Tomas. Eliang, fade away shot. Shot changing, no good. Okay, shoutout po dyan ha. Sabi po ni David Orieta, pa-shoutout watching from Mansura. Ako yung short Eliang. Bundok, stripped away the ball. Foul called. Acuña called for the foul. Bundok shooting for 2. Handed po in the following sponsors: MC Gusin, Janos Cometio, and also Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. Bundok shooting for 2. Per shot. Patok. It's pasok. Uy, nakadalo ka na. Yan na yung remaining game na lang. Yung doon tayo mag-tone na lang. Okay, again, Duran number 2. 6 minutes remaining. Laman po na isa ang JPEX TV Spencer. 3-tone score. Winax. Tapos, nakuha ni Tomas. Eliang bothered by Duran. Same ball po tayo. Same ball. Uy, kumbira, mali. Same ball. Eliang for the inbound. Eliang. Take pass kay Bundok. Bundok to Baltasar. Again to Eliang. Eliang for 3. Wala. Rebound para by Sarita. Nilabas muna ang bola. Sarita. Shake and pick. Sarita. Tomas. Nakuha. And it's a foul call to Eliang. Nice D by Duran. Elian committing the foul to stop the play.
First personal foul, second team foul.
Okay, Duran number 2 for the inbound. Nandiyan si Winax sa pare, si Winax. Winax. Santana. Santana power move. 2 points. Nice play by Santana. Bundok. Bundok. Naku, walang pinasahan sa Bundok. Okay, change pair. Pumulit pa ngayon. Sino po second 5? Second 5. Ayan, si Eugenio. Si JP. Si Disu. Si Benamer. At si number 35. Yung isang Cristobal. Kabila si Duran number 1. Number 24. Number 20 si Pajardo. Brian Uy. And Colina. Sama na po natin po number 0 pala sa JG. Shout out kay Baby Boy, Rene, Dave, Bulawan. Benamer, no good. Nako ni JP, one-hander, patok bola. Benamer, binabate si Pajardo. Benamer, para magkamuka. O sige na. Ayun kay Colina, 2 points Colina. Baseball pass kay Colina, pasok. And now to Cristobal, 35, Palpal. Rebound, Didisu. Colina kaya 2 points. Kaya panapat silang rebounder din. Kung merong mamo sa kabila, may Disu naman ang Spencer. Benamer. Benamer. Lako, nasundot. Okay, same ball. Lumusot sa mga hita ni Duran. Okay, balik muli po tayo. Fernandez. JP, pops up. Wala. Ayan si Benamer. Fernandez, Palpal. Disu. Foul committed.
There's number 0, De La Cruz.
De La Cruz called for the foul. Eugenio for the inbound. Eugenio. Fernandez. Disu, pwede may shot. Wala. Colina. 2 points, Colina. Colina, 2 points. Ice, bebe. Benamer. Wala. Nice one by number 0. Duran. 3 points, Duran. Okay, don't look now. An 8-point lead already been posted by JG. And also, of course, Janus Gumay Spencer. Spencer will not call for the timeout. Okay, 2 minutes 45 remaining. The score is 5-13. Laman po ng 8 ang JG. Okay, pre, ingat na, pre. Ingat, pre. So, nga pala, busog pala. Eugenio. May tangan ng bola. Shout out from South China Sea. Simon ZJ Bull. Cristobal. Fernandez. Wala. Pardo, 2 points. JP pops up, one-hander, pasok. 7:50 naman pa rin ang 8 ang JG. Kulina, pasok. Kulina, 2 points. Again, J5 pa, pero may foul. Sumapit si Zero. De La Cruz scope for the foul. JP shooting for 2. Handog po yun ang Decada Restaurant, Lux Club by MYG Trading, and also Kapeng Barako Restaurant by Longbo. Basket made, okay. Second throw, jumpers ready po tayo.
Second throw by Cristobal.
Second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok. Pardo dribbling the ball. A minute and 30 remaining. Duran. Offensive foul.
Offensive foul by De La Cruz.
De La Cruz scope for the offensive foul. Nice deep by Benamer. Eugenio. Benamer, Eugenio. Nice pass to JP, 100 again. Malakas. Rebound battle, walk by Duran number 1. Duran number 1. Duran number 1. Pops up, no good. Ayun si Colina. Malakas. Eugenio. Basket, Cristobal. JP, 100 again. Pasok na naman. Cristobal, 2 points. 40 seconds remaining. 40 seconds to shoot. Pardo. Colina, 2 points. Malakas ang pasa. Naging doubling ang laro nila ngayon. Naging shot put ang bola. Shot put. Mamadali, aga-aga pa. Benamer, 2 points. Benamer. 13-19. Pops up. Okay, first quarter tapos na po, and the last shot from Duran number 1, 3 points. Bawi tayo. The score is 13-22. First quarter ended. Coming up, second quarter action. Okay, second quarter action. Ano? Paos pa rin po ng tier lang.
Second quarter. Score 6-10 ito. Lamang ang Janas ng 6.
Ibang nilagay pasok pa Ramos shoot ibabay Batasar Susita Thomas Sarita Thomas Susita
Second quarter, high score. All those numbers 6 by hand. Won the ball by Binal Thomas. Islam.
Thank you, salamat ng buhay.
Chance ball.
Okay, balik mo po sa Janas Bulib ang bola. The score is 16-26 naman po ng 10. Ramos, fade away shot, pasok. Patok. Nice shot by Ramos.
Sarita.
Eliang, running shot, no good. Walang tawag na rin. Ayun na si Fajardo. Good ball. Fajardo muli, Winax, 2 points. 2 points by Winax. Sarita. Eliang, fade away shot. Down. Foul sa baba.
For
Sabi ni
jersey
Coach
number
Rick.
7, Ramos.
Jersey number 7 na called for the
First
foul.
personal foul.
Okay, down. Inbound po. Inbound. Saan mag-inbound?
Second team foul.
Sarita for the inbound.
Jamas.
Sarita for the inbound. Baltasar, nakuha yung bola. Baltasar against Pajardo. Sarita, wala. Rebound para ba Ilyang? Ilyang! Pero may foul muli. Nice foul.
Ball jersey number 22.
Jersey number 22, called for the foul. Alcayoso, si Pinax. Called for the foul. Jay's Spring is brought with the following sponsors. Nandiyan po ang Decade Restaurant, Lux Chloe by MYG Trading, and Kapeng Barako by Lombar. At pakuin na natin yan ang dapat tampakong konkreto. Eliang, pasok po bola. Second turn rin yan, pasok po tayo. 17:30, lamang po ng 13 ang Team JG. Winax, look. Sarita kick pass. Eliang. Eliang, kapos pa rin. Pero take 2. Eliang shooting for 2.
Second personal foul.
Again, foul by Winax. Eliang shooting for 2. Ando po yung following sponsor. Nandiyan po ang Team JPX TV, Iowa Nation, and Luxury by Shanti.
Second throw by Eliang.
Eliang, second throw. Pops up. Pasok. Basket made.
Ball by Ram. To Pajardo.
Pajardo. Offensive foul called. Moving pick. Na-moving pick hotel sila. Moving pick.
Offensive foul, jersey number 06 by Ram.
Jersey number 6, scope for the foul. Offensive foul. Si Bilaro, nandiyan na. Bilario, no. Sarita, Eliang. Nawala ang bola, Eliang. Di gumagana ang ID Sky Plate na. Baltasar. Inbound si Baltasar. Eliang. Pops up. Wala. Ayun, si Tomas. Tomas, 2 points. Okay, change player po tayo yun. Second batch of teams. Second batch po tayo yun. Sino-sino po sila? Nandiyan na si Acuna, De La Cruz. Si Tiso nandiyan muna. Si Fernandez, si JP, si Benamer, at si Eugenio. Sa kabila naman, nandiyan si Mamaw, si Santa Ana, si Duran number 1. Brian Uy, and of course, to complete the lineup, si Acuna. The score is 21-30, a 19-point lead. 11-point lead rather, being posted by JG. Brian Uy, Santa Ana, kick pass, ako ni Eugenio. Eugenio, nakuha ng number 1. Nakuha naman ni JP ang bola. Foul sa baba. Foul sa baba. And penalty situation po ang Team JG. At 4 minutes 42 seconds remaining of the second quarter action. This is brought by Winas Apparel, Aquafas Qatar, and also Free John's Barbershop. Cristobal, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. JP, second throw. Pasok. Okay, lamang na lang pito ang Team Janas. Acuna, look, nako ni JP. Benamer! 2 points, Benamer. Nice shot by kay Benamer. Duran, 3 points. Time ni 3 points si Duran number 1. Topal, 100 votes. Mamaw, Palpal. Nice one. Nice one. 2 points for the man. Duran number 1. Acuña. Power Roof kay Grinoy. Kapos. Acuña again. Grinoy. Acuña. Grinoy. Duran number 1. Duran number 1. Benamer, 2 points. Dokta, 4 na lang po ang kalamangan ng JG. 4 na lang from 15. Duran number 1. Acuña, Duran number 1. Grinoy. Ang Mamaw, foul called.
There's a foul. Ball is number 7. JP is a foul. First foul.
JP ko for the foul. Mamaw shooting for 2. Ando po yung final sponsors, Domba Restaurant, Imprint Advertising, and M23 Restaurant and Cafe. Okay, next shot, Mamaw, last throw, jumpers ready po. Pops up.
Second throw by Mamaw.
Pasok pareho, sana. 29-34, lamang na po na 5 ang JG. At 2 minutes 46 remaining of the second quarter action. Benamer, Eugenio. Benamer. Again, Benamer. JP. No. Rebound by JP. No. Rebound by Mamaw. Mamaw usually clearing the boards again for JG. Acuña. Kapos. Ayun si Mamaw. 2 points. Pasa pala yun. Mamaw doing the clearing of the boards and also the putbacks para si JG. Eugenio. Eugenio for 3. Tapos. Rebound battle. Disu. Wala pa rin. Hey! Magandang matchup to. Mamaw versus Disu. Mamaw versus Disu. Magandang matchup pa.
First ball.
Okay, Disu shooting for 2. This is brought to you by PLBL Coach Mike Movement and HB Kicks. From Jordan Cerebrons, HB Kicks had it all for you.
Second throw.
Wala pareho. Hindi nga lang. Santa Ana. Ardiwa lost the ball. Benamer, Pascal. Benamer shooting for 2. Okay, handog muli po yan ng the following sponsors: Lomba Restaurant, Imprint Advertising, and M23 Cafe.
2 free throw by Benamer.
Benamer. Wala.
Time, rapid and 41 seconds. Second throw, Benamer.
Basket made.
30-36.
30-36. Pa-shoutout naman kay Mr. Disu. Sabi ni Kapala. Wala, kapos. Hop! Mamaw for JP. Lost the ball. Foul ball. Mamaw called for the foul. Penalty situation muli po ang team JG. Eugenio shooting for 2.
Mamao, second personal foul.
Mamo, second personal foul.
2 free throw.
2 free throws para kay Mr. Eugenio. Si Henny. Pasok. Pero hindi po si Lopez. Eugenio na po ang pangalan niya. Second throw, jumper straight. No. Rebound para 1 by Fernandez. Benamer. Fernandez fadeaway shot. No. Rebound para 1 by Acuna. A minute remaining. Grinoy. Bang! Kada rally, meron silang sagot. Eka, may pamatay sunog. Disu. No. Rito kay Mamaw. Hoy! Sumama sa bakal. Nice D by JP.
29 seconds.
Shoutout din naman kay Mr. Sino to? Febere, pero absent ka sa Spencer. Sabi naman ni Stabilio, Jennifer. Fernandez, malakas. Fernandez naman. JP, wala naman. Fernandez ang rebound. Nice rebound. Mamo, wag yung goal ko na foul. Pangatlo na po ni Mr. Mamo po yan. Shooting for 2 po si Fernandez. Fernandez shooting for 2.
2 free throw by Fernandez. First goal, Fernandez.
Pops up, pasok. The score is 32-39. Lamang pa rin po ang JG ng 7. Second throw, jumper ready para kay Fernandez. Fernandez. Pasok. 33-39. Naman po ng 17 remaining. Okay. End of the first half. Lamang pa rin po ang JG ng 6. The score is 33-39. Halftime po tayo. This is your PSBQ Basketball League. We'd like to thank the following sponsors: Lombard Restaurant, PLBL, Coach Mike Movement, Imprint Advertising, M23 Cafe and Restaurant, HB Kicks, JPXTV, Winax Apparel, Luxury by Shanty, 3G's Barbershop, Agro Secretary, and Iowa Nation, MC Cuisine, Janos Kimitio, Marlica Cargo, Luxa Chloe by NYG Trading, Lakapeng Barako by Lombard, Kata Sublimation, and Decada Restaurant. And also last but not the least, of course, nandiyan po ang McDonald's Secretary, MC Kitchen, MC Cargo, and again, Janos Gumetio. Pwede po, ito po ang iliga ng mga sikat PSBQ Basketball League. Maraming salamat po and halftime po tayo. Sabi po ni Baby Girls Kapada Sepada, good luck po for both teams. Shoutout kay Disu. Sabi namin Angelo Giliena, shoutout po kay Jello Bundok. Nasa ka Giliena? Ba't nawawala ka rito? Okay. Halftime po tayo. AI pala itong Samsung na to. Nagkaka-correct pa kasi yung angle, yung alignment. Wala sa tab. Shoutout, Yellow Bundok. Pahinga ka muna sa injury, boss. Okay? Okay, Juliana. Nagpapinga ka pala sa injury. Okay, sige. Pahinga ka muna. Tama po yan. Arjon Jenky Lambino. Si Rep. O yan. Mag-rep. Dito sa amin sa Dukan. Okay, JPEX TV. Spencer Ball po tayo. JPEX Spencer Ball. Sarita for the inbound. Sige, tatapos kita. Sarita Ball, Sarita. Okay, Sarita for the inbound. Ito na. Kick na to kay Baltasar. Baltasar. William Baltasar. 2 points. Okay, nice design play. Mayroon. Kulina. Wala. Tomas. Pahato. 2 points Pahato. Nice. Sarita. Tomas. Lamang muli po ng 8 ang JG. Eliang, nagmamadali. Eliang! Foul! Jersey number 15, Colina called for the foul. And also Sarita for the inbound para po sa Spencer JPEX TV.
Sarita Masuya. Back to Sarita.
Foul called. Holding foul number 24, number 0. Number 0, 4 personal fouls, 1 for graduate. Hop. Okay, back to ball game ulit po tayo. Eto na. Eliang. Bundok. Tomas, TDC, ayaw niya. Tomas, nagmadali. Malakas nga lang. Ayan si Fajardo. Fajardo! Wala. Bundok. Baltasar, 2 points. Big man Baltasar, 2 points.
Sige lang po, enjoy tayo tayo.
Pati pa si Enyam. Ano ba yan? Tumirik si Enyam ah. Tumirik si Enyam ah. Takno na tumitirik sa atin. So magtatrabaho si Basiliam? Anong katrabaho yun? Ha? Okay, Eliam, pinilito muna ni JP.
Ibali na po kay RD1.
RD1, now to kay Fajardo. The score is 37-40, naman lang po ng 6 ang JG.
Uli na. Fajardo.
Hop! Si Daisy Symbol. Okay, ano? Sino? Okay, call overruled Spencer Ball. Call overruled Spencer Ball.
Ibali na po kay Sarita.
Bundok, Tubister, Sarita. Sarita may tahan ng bola. JP, malakas. Swiped away but still bola pa rin po ng Spencer JPX TV.
12 seconds to shoot.
Sarita.
10 to shoot. Sarita na ang shoot sa gitna. Fajardo sa gitna ng shoot.
Ayun, kentura number 1. Malakas.
Tomas.
2 points, Tomas. Tomas, dalawa. 39-40 again 4 point na lang po, laman po ng JG. Nice D by Tomas. Fajardo. Ayan kay Ramos. Ayan kay Arjuan. Fajardo, one-hander, pasok. Nice shot kay Fajardo ha. Pero siya one-hander shot. Yeah! Tomas! 2 points, Tomas. Again, 4 na naman ang lamang ng JG. JG, 4 na lang. Fajardo! Hop! Si Daisy, ano po yun? Foul called.
Foul jersey number 27.
27, Bondoko for the foul. Again, now. Naku, nawala si Duran. Duran, driving it. Pops up, Ramos. Malakas ang pasa. Backing violation. Backing violation called. Bondok to Tomas. To Cristobal. Pops up. Ayun, kay Bondok ang bola. Pasa pala siya yun. Looks deceiving. Still, it's a pass. Fajardo. Fajardo. RD1. No. Rebound ni Baltasar. JP. Bondok. Sarita. And one play made. Patibig ang JP, wag naman.
All the number 15, Gulina.
Sarita shooting for the bonus free throw. Handog po rin the following sponsors. Nandiyan po ang Maharlika Cargo, ANC Kitchen, and also McDonald's Qatar. Fajardo. Up, down.
Foul number 27.
Yellow Butukan called for the foul. Now Mamo is back already para kay Ramos. RD2 para kay RD1. Eto na. Pardo. Ayun. Nice swipe away by Bantasa. Sarita. Tomas. Tomas. 2 points Tomas. Okay. Tabla na tayo sa wangas. Unang tabla. Unang tabla. Fajardo na ipit. Bayran. Balakas. Again, one more time. Bayran. Foul! Huli. Nahuli ka. Okay, 2 shots awarded yan. Tiyak para kami sa Bayran. Again, nandun po yung muli ng MC Cuisine, Decada Restaurant, and also Janus Gumaytiyo. Team Spicy, Team Original. Mamili po kayo. Yan po ang Janus Gumaytiyo.
Second throw, Bayran.
Bayran, second throw, jumpers ready. Pops up. Pasok pareho. Okay, 45-47. Sarita. Sarita, may tangan ng bola. Sarita. Sarita. Hop. Foul committed. It's a foul committed. Again, Kulina called for the foul. Third personal foul, warning for penalty, Janus Gumay. Baltasar lost the ball. Nice D by Bamaw. Pardo, Kulina. 2 points Kulina. JP nagmamadali. Penalty situation. Kasi ingat ha. JP shooting for 2. This video is brought to you by, of course, nandiyan po ang Luxury by NYJ Trading. Hey, Daming Barako, Kapeng Barako by Lombard, and also Qatar Submarine Sports by Ziranyada. JP, second throw, jumpers ready po tayo. Pops up, pasok. Okay, trailing by ito lang po ang Spencer, JPEX TV. Bayran. Bayran, may tahan ng bola. Bayran. Double team. Fajardo. Uy, sayang ang pasa. Maganda sana yun. Oh. Ikaw. May bike ka. Good. Sir, laman po ang J, ang team JG. Janus Gumaytiyo po ng dalawa, 47-49. Wala na. Shout out po kay Sheena Nina Flores. Laman po ang team JG, Janus Gumaytiyo ng dalawa, 47-49 po. Fajardo. Si Diso reporting na. Fajardo. Kulina, floater shot, nilabas. Rebound. Kaya na sa bundok. Tomas. Baltasar, bundok. Naku, yung extra pass. Okay, si Husano. Okay, Diso para kay Baltasar muna. 3 minutes 20 remaining. Fajardo, may tahan ng bola. Ayan, kay Duran, to Fajardo. Fajardo, tinggi 3, ayaw muna. Matake na. Again, Duran, wala. Sarita, for the rebound. Substitution made again now. Sino po yan? Benamer, parang ibundok. Mamaw. Malakas. Bayran. Sarita. Anak ng patos. Anak ng patos sa panapasa yan. Patay ko. Mamaw. Anak ng magandang pasa yan. Patay ko, napamura. Brian Uy. 5 seconds almost. Okay, again. Okay, now pati si Coach tumingin na rin. Fajardo. No! Coach already also standing already. Hindi gusto nangyari po sa kanyang team.
Pag may sasampo, lapit na natin dito sa committee.
Okay, Tomas para kay Fernandez. Benamer. Ilyang. Wala. Rebound kay Fernandez. Ilyang. Wala pa rin. That could bring the house down. Okay, ito po tayo si Mr. Duran. Walang pinasam pero tumama sa mga kamay ng Spencer JPXTV. RD1, pinasok muna para kay RD2. Ang minute 48 remaining. Elian para tumabla. Elian, 2 points. Okay, second dead duck of the game already. Fajardo. And one, sayang. Okay, JP now, may tangan ng bola. Benamer. Nakuha ni Fajardo. Okay, lamang. Change. Favor po tayo. First lead. Tasted already by JPXTV Spencer. Lamang na po ang JPXTV Spencer ng dalawa. Fajardo, floater shot, pasok. What a shot by Fajardo. Benamer. Mr. Benamer. Fernandez. Lost the ball. RD1. 2 points sa Tana. Okay, balik po na kalamangan po po sa JG. Team JG, lamang po ng dalawa. Team JG, lamang muli po ng dalawa. Okay, Benamer, lost the ball almost. Hey! Wala pa todo sa Santos, pero may kababalagan po nangyari po dito sa basketball court. Wala pa todo sa Santos, pero may kababalagan po nangyari po. Saan nga nakita ang ring, hinawakan na lang yung bola. Dito lang yan sa face video. Believe it or not. Paano yung rep? Paano ganun, boss? Yung ano, gumanin lang. Ganyan lang. Tumigil. Wala na yun. Eh kung na-shoot. Pasok yun. Bakit? The score is 51-53. Lamang po ang JG. Janice Gomez. Final quarter coming up now. Okay. Duran, Colina. Colina. 2 points, Colina. Colina dreaming the necessary points. Two points. Early timeout called by JG. Ang aga naman nila. Ang aga ng timeout, tinawag ko ng JG. Malalim pero nandiyan si Mamaw. Okay, take two po yan. Baltasar shooting for 2. Si Mr. Mamaw. Second personal foul sa Baltasar. First team foul lang po yan ng team Spencer JPX TV. First shot ni Mamaw, no good. Second throw, jumper steady po tayo.
Second throw by Mamaw.
Mamaw, second throw, jumpers ready. Pasok. Substitution made now. Sino po yan? Si Mr. Zero de la Cruz. Inahanda na. Mamaw for the rebound. Guanoy, 2 points. Mamaw can clear the board. Guanoy for 3. Wala. Colina. Nasinto sa likod pero wala. Same ball.
Remaining time 8 minutes and 25 seconds.
8 minutes, 25 remaining. Brian Loy. Brian Loy na makapasahan. Brian Loy for 3. Bang! Timely 3-point kagad po ni Brian Loy, putting them now into 8 points ahead. Then Young.
Pasok ko sa now.
Okay, timeout again. Timeout on call by JPX. Lead changes, swing changes.
Bronze in the building.
Tomas, Eugenio, Cristobal, same ball.
Same ball.
Stepping violation. Stepping violation. That's a rarity.
Same ball tayo. PBST.
Ayan, si Taps. Namatay si Taps. Four shot selection. Traveling violation. Putting a hope for the traveling. Okay, Disu pinasok muna para kanino? Eugenio. Eugenio ba? O Eugenio nga. Ito na. 6 minutes remain. 11 kalabangan. Ilalas na. Wow! Foul on Colina. Number 0 rather. 5 fouls graduate. Number 0 graduate po siya. Three points punto. Okay, back to the ball game tayo. Ito na si Pato, pinasok muna para kanino? Para kay Santa Ana. Pato for Santa Ana, and now Disu. Kay Bundok. Cristobal, Bundok. Tomas for 3. No. Rebounded Disu. Patasar, 2 points. Ayan na naman, nagraraan naman sila. It's a rally mate now. Out of concern, pinapasok tumili po si Mamaw. Tumirek si Bundok. Bundok tumirek. Okay, back to the ball game ulit po tayo. Si Mamo pinasok na para sa Team JG. Pahardo. Bayrang. Hoy! Malakas. And one play. Nice play by JP. Plus bonus free throw coming up. Pahardo for the bonus free throw. Ay, JP for the bonus free throw out of the foul by Pahardo. JP Alfredo De La Cruz the second. Wala nang time. Okay. JP pops up. Yes. Basket mate. Tatlo na lang po ang lamang. Bisu and Mamo nagbabantay na. Brian Lloyd. Rebound para by Lloyd. Okay, sabi ni referee, same ball daw. Same ball. Baltasar, last touch. Lucky break para sa Team JG. Lucky break po para sa Team JG. RD1. Sarita Iliang now reporting out sa bench for the line. Ayun, kaya naman. Malakas. Mamaw, malakas.
Daming tira. August number 21. Substitution.
Okay, Sarita para kay Mr. Bundok. Eliang para kay Nino, para kay Tomas.
Remaining time 2 minutes and 42 seconds. Third foul. Ganassi.
Nice D by Mamaw. Wala na. Labis na. Hop! Ang dano, timo, 22 eh. Dami na nanonood, oh.
First personal foul. Warning for penalty.
Warning for penalty, Janas Gumay Tuyo, JG, Cristobal.
Penalty shoot.
Cristobal pops up. Baltasar. Hop! Doon na muli po. Janas ball, yellow ball. Yellow black ball. 2 minutes 17 remaining. Yeah. Yeah. Nice D by Iliang. Yeah.
12 to shoot. 12 seconds to shoot. Brought by Ali1 Mayran.
2 points Mayran. Yan ang kailangan nila. JP. May tanga ng bola. JP. Step away. May AI pala to. Camera pala, may AI pala to. Mabagal yung ano, pero may self-correcting siya. Gumagano siya, gumagano mag-isa. Gumagano. May AI siya. Oh. Lumamang na mamuli po ang pito ang Team JG over Spencer JPX TV. A minute and 47 remaining. Two points Bagdasar. Nice putback by Bagdasar. Lamang muli na 5. Fajardo. Nagpasok na ng mga birodor ng JG. Arjuan! Wala. Rebound para 1 by JG. Sarita. Bondok. Kick pass. Ayun. Intercepted. Costly mistake by Bondok. Masakit yun. Fajardo. 10 seconds remaining. Bayran. Bang. Eto na naman sila. JP. And one play made. JP wants to win this ball game. Trying to salvage anything what he need. Cristobal shooting for a bonus free throw. 50 seconds remaining. It's still a ball game for both teams. JP, bonus shot. Wala! Lamang ng 3. RD1 now milking the clock. Mamaw to Bayran. Duran! No! Sarita for the rebound. Ilyang. Bondok for 3. Kapos. Walang rebound. I think that's it. Foul by Ram.
Second team foul. JPX DJ Spencer. 11 seconds. Tanggalak na.
Foul.
Third team foul. 9 seconds.
9 seconds. Again, Fajardo for the inbound. Foul again. Bagdasar.
One more penalty. 9 seconds.
Foul. Penalty situation. Zero Bundok. Fajardo shooting for 2. 7.8 remaining.
Penalty.
Okay, Fajardo shooting for 2. First shot. Fajardo first shot. Wala! Second throw, jumpers ready. Second free throw, jumpers ready. Fajardo.
Second throw.
Basket made. JPX-TV Spencer go for the last timeout. 7.8 remaining. 67-71 ang score. Lamang pa rin po ang JG ng 4. Back to ball game. 7 seconds remaining. Same ball.
Same ball now. 6 seconds.
6.6 remaining.
6 seconds. Salita.
Okay, that's it. Still undefeated. JG Giannis Gumitio. Last score is final score is 67-71. Waiting for the word from our final sponsors. PSBQ would like to thank the following sponsors: Lombard, Imprint Advertising, M23 Cafe and Restaurant, PLBL, Coach Mike Movement, HB Kicks, HJPEX TV, Winners Apparel, Dani Bosia, Iowa Nation, Agros Guitar, Luxury by Shanty, Legion's Barbershop, MC Cargo, MC Considerador, Decada Restaurant, Lux Global Energy Trading, Long Capeng Barangay Lombard, Giannis Gumitio, and Qatar Sublimation Sportswear. And last but not least, of course, McDonald's Guitar, MC Kitchen, MC Cuisine, and Giannis Gumitio. Pwede po, maraming salamat po sa po natin super gando. Malabas mo natin next week po. Muli po, di ba ang Pinoy Star Ballers Basketball League live from the birding season International School in Doha. Maraming salamat po and God bless sa inyo po lahat. See you po next week. Thank you. Okay, ito po ang Giannis Gumitio winning team still. Wala pa rin pong talo. Giannis Gumitio final score 67-71. Yan po ang Giannis Gumitio Nation. Yan po sila. Yan. Okay, kasama po na po si Mr. Mbamaw, number 0, and also Duran, number 1. Sir, what a good game po na binigay po sa amin po sa gabing ito. And also, paano po napigilan po yung kanilang rally?
Duran na depensa.
Depensa talaga. Eh yung mga birds mo, para yun ang po nakapuntos mo, mga birds mo na lang. Ha? Ano po masasabi po natin doon, Mr. Mamaw? No comment na lang?
No comment.
Okay, masyado. Madulas pa yung bolo na. Okay, ano po masasabi po na po sa mga last remaining po games po ng Giannis Gumitio? Last game po, mga last game po. What to expect more?
Gagalingan pa namin. Babawasan yung turnover.
Eh, Mr. Mamaw, walang foul copy paste, sir. Ano po masasabi po na ba sa laro nyo po, sir? Last games po.
Tapos na ako.
What to expect last game po? Mga last games po. Mga final games po sa elimination. Speechless si Mamaw. Okay, wait po, okay. 1 minute shoutout shot, Mr. Mamaw muna. 1 minute shoutout shot. Sige po, patingin po.
Sa pamilya ko, papa ko, mama ko.
Okay, good. And RD1, of course.
Naka 205.
Okay, good. Team, again, tropang 205. And also si Kulina. Okay, Mr. Kulina, congrats for being a best player per the game, POG po. Sir, what to say po yung salary nyo po ngayon, sir?
Maganda tulog, kaya medyo maganda yung mga kamay.
Okay, good.
Nahirapan kami pagdating ng third quarter.
Kaya nga, nag-rally sila doon at lumamang pangalan ng dalawa. Paano nyo po siya naampat po, yung bleeding ngayon?
Depensa, maganda depensa namin yung pinakita namin.
And also si Coach Sorcel, tumuyo na rin talaga, no?
Nagalit na yung coach namin, kaya medyo kami
nagising na.
nagising kami.
Okay, Mr. Kulina, what to expect po sa mga final games po?
Sana sa lahat ng team, good rest, wala kang masaktan sa amin. Trabaho pinunta namin dito. Friendly lang.
Okay, now, 1 minute shoutout. Sige po, pati mo gustong pitingin, sir.
Kaya pala sa pamilya ko, kay Jessica, sa mga anak ko, sa airport ko, sa Alip company.
Okay. Okay, thank you po, sir. Congratulations po, pumili po. Team Giannis Gumitio for winning the game and still undefeated. Thank you po, sir. Thank you. Sa akin sige. Yan. Pardo. Yan, si Pardo po, yung assist king of the game. Okay, thank you po rin po. Still undefeated pa rin po. Still Giannis Gumitio. Pwede po, maraming salamat po sa inyo and See you po again po next week po. Same time, same place, same channel. Under Basketball Action po muli po sa PSBQ Basketball League. Thank you po. Thank you po. Thank you po.